people have been asking me about tips for better brain health and mental clarity. And I'll just tell you what I've found works for me. So, number one is meditation. I feel like if I don't meditate, I end up having more and more and more and more noise in my brain that makes it hard to focus and be present. And so that's why I think about meditation as like daily energetic maintenance, almost like cleaning your kitchen or, keeping your house clean. It's like literally like clearing out kind of the noise and the stress of the day and any kind of lingering residue of interactions with other people. So to me, meditating every day is essential for mental clarity and brain health. I also find exercise to be essential. So I like to exercise. In a perfect world, I would exercise twice a day. That's how much I love it for my brain. So a perfect world would do something in the morning and then something at the end of my workday, because it's like, kind of getting the blood flow going and fresh oxygen to the brain. It really kind of sets the stage for good focus and attention. And then at the end of the day, it helps me to clear the day. And then have almost like another day, which is the evening, where I can kind of have this kind of fresh feeling again. The other thing that I think is helpful is reducing the amount of food you eat. Like so mild caloric restriction, intermittent fasting, and keeping your macronutrients more skewed toward protein, vegetables, and fats. Those macronutrients will promote mental clarity and promote just being able to be present, whereas carbohydrates are kind of give a dulling effect, or just like they're so calming that it makes it tough to almost puts you in a little bit of a daze. So I certainly do not eat any carbs in the day when I'm like at work, because I really like to be able to be super clear-headed and focused on my patients. So what you eat matters for mental clarity. And then if you want to kind of venture into nootropics, there are some very good preparations. I love the brand Qualia. They make a good one that's for focus, that has caffeine in it that I don't like. And then there's one that doesn't have caffeine that I love. But everyone is different. The reason why I don't like the one with caffeine is because I love to drink a little bit of coffee. So I have now kind of, with my partner, we have perfected this cold brew coffee situation. It's so good and low acid, but also just almost like a superfood. So I do a cold brew coffee with some homemade nut milk, and that usually I can do some in the morning and some like right after lunch. And that also is kind of my tool for enhanced focus and concentration. So I hope that helps. But these are the things that work for me, and you've just got to find the ones that work for you. But remember, exercise improves blood flow to the brain, meditation clears the noise, and if you don't eat carbohydrates, you're going to have much better mental clarity, because carbs can cause you to have foggy brain. And then whether or not you engage in any other kind of support with nootropics is up to you. Hope that helps.